Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Tuitions. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Today I came with the topic consonant sounds. This is actually a small class meant for kids only, that is for KG section 1 and 2 section. Hello children, let's start our class. Yes, so the first consonant sound, which is it? That is B. So what's the sound of B? B sound is B, B. Okay, so I'll sing one song, okay? B sounds B, B, B sounds B, B, B sounds B, B, B for ball. Okay, so are you joining with me? Come on, join with me. Yes, let's start singing together. B sounds B, B, B sounds B, B, B sounds B, B, B for ball. Okay, then what's the sound of B? Yes, it's B, B. Okay, the next letter, that is C. And what's the sound of C? It is K, 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 K. Come on, yes, let's sing. C sounds K, K. C sounds K, K. C sounds K, K. C for cat. C sounds K, K. C sounds, C sounds, C for, yes. Then moving on to the next one, that is D. What's the sound made by D? D sounds D, D. Okay, so let's sing. Okay, D sounds D, D. D sounds D, D. D sounds D, D. D for doll. D sounds, D sounds, D sounds, D for, yes. Then moving on to the next one, that is F. What's the sound of F? Very simple. Okay, F sounds, F sounds, F sounds, F for fan. F sounds, F sounds, F sounds, F for, yes, fan. Then moving on to the next one, that is G. What's the sound made by G? That is G, 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 G. Okay, so let's start. Yes, G sounds G, G. G sounds G, G. G sounds G, G. G for gun. G sounds, G sounds, G sounds, G for, yes, gun. The next one is H. What's the sound made by H? It's okay, so H sounds, H sounds, H sounds, H for hen. H sounds, H sounds, H sounds, H for hen. The next sound is J. What's the sound made by J? It's J, 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 J. Okay, J sounds J, J. J sounds J, J. J sounds J, J. J for jug. Can you tell? J sounds, J sounds, J sounds, J for, yes, jug. Next one is K. What's the sound made by K? It's again K, K. So there is a difference in the sound of C and K. That is, C sound is a bit, it's low stressing C, K, K. But here it is high stressing K, K. Okay, that's the difference. So let's start singing. Okay, K sounds K, K. K sounds K, K. K sounds K, K. K for kite. You sing. K sounds, K sounds, K sounds, K for kite. Next one, L. What's the sound of L? It's L, L. L sounds L, L. L sounds L, L. sounds L, L, L for lion. L sounds, L sounds, L sounds, L for lion. Yes, next is M. What's the sound made by M? That is M sounds M sounds Okay, sing. Let's sing. Yes. M sounds M sounds M sounds M for mat. M sounds M sounds M sounds M for yes, mat. Next letter is N. What's the sound made by N? That is N. Okay, so N sounds N sounds N sounds N for net. N sounds N sounds N sounds N for net. Next is P. P sounds P. Okay. P sounds P. P sounds P. P sounds P. P for pen. P sounds P. P sounds P sounds P for pen. Yes. Next is Q. What's the sound made by Q? It's Q. Okay, so Q sounds Q. Q sounds Q. Q sounds Q. Q for quail. You sing, okay? Q sounds Q sounds Q sounds Q for quail. Okay, then next letter is R. So what's the sound of R? That is So R sounds R sounds R sounds R for rat. R for rat. Okay, and you sing R sounds R sounds R for yes, rat. Next is S. What's the sound made by S? S sound is S. Okay, come on, let's sing together. Okay, S sounds S. S sounds S sounds S for sun. S for sun. S sounds S sounds S sounds S for sun. Okay, the next one is T. What's the sound made by T? That is T. Okay, so T sounds T. T sounds T. T sounds T. T for tiger. T sounds T sounds T for tiger. The next one is V. What's the sound made by V? V sounds V. V sounds V. V sounds V. V for van. V. Okay. So V sounds V. V sounds V for van. Okay. Then W. What's the sound of W? W sounds as V. Okay, so let's start. W sounds V. W sounds V. W sounds V. W for well. W sounds W for well. Okay. Then the next one is what? It is X. So what's the sound of X? It is X. Okay. So X sounds X. X sounds x, x. X sounds x, x. X for xylophone. It's xylophone. Okay. X sounds. X sounds. X sounds. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Okay. And next one is Y. What's the sound of Y? It's y, y. Y, y. Y, y. Okay. So Y sounds y, y. Y sounds y, y. Y sounds y, y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Once more, you repeat. Y for. Y sounds. Y sounds. Y for yak. Y for yak. And the last one is what? It is Z. The letter Z. So Z sounds z, z. Z sounds z, z. Okay. So let's start. Z sound z, z. Z sound z, z. Z sound z, z. Z for zoo. Z sounds. Z sounds. Z sounds. Z for zoo. Okay. We used to tell us Z also. Okay, you can use Z or Z. Both are correct. Children, how was today's class? With singing and all. Did you enjoy today's class? And one more thing I want to tell to you. If anybody is viewing my channel till without subscribing, please subscribe and support. And if you like the video, please press the like button and share the video if possible to your friends and relatives. I'll be coming with another video for the next time. Till then, stay safe and healthy.